Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Gerald Catanyag. My age is 42. My religion is Catholic. My body height is 60. My weight is 54. I come from Philippines. I have 3 children. My eldest is 19. My youngest is 12. I am unmarried. I've been working abroad for 5 years and 9 months in Bahrain and Kuwait. My main duties there in Bahrain is I care a 0-month baby, and also I do cleaning, washing, and cooking. My main duties in Kuwait is cooking, iron, and cleaning. That type of house in Bahrain is single storage. The room is 4 and the toilet is 2. In Kuwait is also single storage, 3 room and 2 toilet. The reason that I want to go to Hong Kong to provide my family needs and my future kids. To my future employer, please hire me as your helper. I'm a hardworking person and I'm honest, and I promise for you to finish my 2 years contract. And I promise for you to finish my 2 years contract, and I will not break that. Thank you, ma'am and sir. Hope to see you soon.